Hello everyone, welcome to the Pure Mathematics channel. It is pre-algebra class, lecture 32, radicals formula. Here we will solve some example of radicals which is dependent in 5 formula. First formula is n root of a into n root of a into n root of a into n root of a and so on. Up to infinity, it is equal to n minus 1 root of a. Second one, square root of a into square root of a into square root of a into square root of a and so on up to square root of a is equal to n times. How many time repeated? N time. It is equal to the power n root of a to the power 2n minus 1. A greater than or equal to 0. Third one, n root of a divided by n root of a divided by n root of a divided by n root of a and so on up to infinity. It is equal to n plus 1 root of a. And number 4, square root of a minus 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 up to so on. It is equal to minus plus square root of 4a plus 1 over 2. A greater than 0. Number 5, square root of a plus square root of a plus square root of a plus square root of a and so on. It is equal to 1 plus square root of 4a plus 1 over 2. A greater than 0. Here we write question 52, question 55, question 54 and 55, 5 up to 56. This question solved in solution math challenging question. We proved all these results and there. You can go to play solution of challenging math question playlist. On the time click to this question, you will find the result, the proof of this result. Example 1, third root of 4 into third root of 4 into third root of 4 up to infinity. It is equal to, it is it match to rule 1 formula of 1. Then we can write here n is 3 minus 1 root of 4. It is equal to square root of 4. It is equal to 2. Second one, we use this formula. It is how many times? It is 4 times. 4 times. Now 4 times we can write to the power 4. Here a is 5 to the power 2 into 4 minus 1. It is equal to the power 4 is 16, 5 to the power 2 multiplied by 4, 8 minus 1, 7. It is the result. Here we use third formula, then we get here n is 2 plus 1, n plus 1, 2 plus 1 into 8, square root of a, 8, cube root of to the power 3. Instead of 8 we can write to the power 3. They cancel, then we get it is equal to 2. Fourth one is we use fourth formula here, minus 1 plus minus 1 plus square root of 4 into a. A is equal to 6. 4 multiplied by 6 plus 1 over 2. It is equal to minus 1 plus 4 multiplied by 6. 24 plus 1, 25. The root of square root of 25 is 5 over 2. It is equal to minus 1 plus 5. It is equal to 4. 4 divided by 2. It is equal to 2. This match with formula 5. Then we can write 1 plus square root of 4 multiplied by 12 plus 1 over 2. It is equal to 1 plus square root of 48 plus 1 over 2. It is equal to 1 plus square root of 49 over 2. It is equal to 1 plus 14, the square root of 49 is 7. 1 plus 7 over 2. It is equal to 1 plus 7, 8, 8 divided by 2, 4. It is the solution of this 5 question according this 5 formula. They are very important in radicals. Thank you.